Hi, this is Ron from Apsis Communications. Today we're going to deal with plugging in your aircube. The first step you must do is make sure your modem is plugged in correctly and online. If you are unsure of this, please check out our other videos about the proper light sequences to be sure. Now, we are going to use the Ethernet wire provided. First, we are going to plug it into the modem. There is only one spot this wire fits on here, so if you get into another spot on the back of your modem, please send me a picture. We are now going to take the other end of the Ethernet cable and plug it into the blue port of the aircube. It is very important you plug it into the blue port. The only issue that ever comes up during this process is people try to plug the Ethernet cable into one of the other ports. This is incorrect. Finally, we're going to plug the electricity into the aircube. As soon as the light on the bottom of the aircube goes solid white, you're ready to go. Your network name will be Apsis Internet or Apsis Internet-5G. Please try to use the 5G whenever possible. Some of your devices may not have 5G technology, and you will not see that network. This is fine. Check out my other videos about the difference between 2.4 and 5G to help you decide what network is best for you. Your default password is written on the bottom of the aircube in the WPA2 field. One of the many advantages you have because you've selected to get an aircube from Apsis Communications is if you want to change your network name or passwords, you can simply call us and we can do it instantly over the phone. That's it. You're finished. If you had any problem during any part of this installation, please call us at 289-723-0226. We want you to call us. I hope this has helped you start enjoying your Apsis Internet today. Please keep checking back for more videos.